the 2002 Toyota Avalon. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3-liter six-cylinder engine. The following features are included: one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, and more. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With a friendly and knowledgeable sales staff, superb customer care, and competitive prices, we're looking forward to serving you.